Welcome to Varun Techie channel, a place for better learning. Today we will discuss naive Bayes classification. It is a classification algorithm which uses the conditional probability. You know the Bayes theorem that P of x by Ci equal to P of Ci by x into P of x by P of Ci. Now we will see the naive Bayes condition P of x by Ci equal to P of x by Ci into P of x2 by Ci and so on P of xn by Ci, where x1, x2, x3 and so on xn are the individual features of input sample x. See the example question. In that we have the number, color, legs, height, smell and species. Now the question is we should classify x. In the x, color equal to green, legs equal to 2, height equal to tall, smell equal to yes. We should check which species it belongs to. First, see the target variable, that is species. M 1, 2, 3, 4 M's, 4 H is there. So probability of M is 0.5, probability of H is 0.5. Now we will see, to find out which class does x belongs to, we are going to calculate p of x by m and p of x by h. P of x by m equal to p of color equal to green by m. Why we are taking like this? Now in the question they have given green to tall, yes, like that only we should calculate. P of color equal to green by m into p of legs equal to 2 by m into p of height equal to tall by m into p of smell equal to s by m. In the similar way, you calculate p of x by h using the formula. After that, each and every element you should calculate. First, we will calculate p of green by m equal to p of green into p of m by green by p of m. This is the conditional probability, that is Bayes theorem only we are using here, and you are calculating everything. After calculating everything, we are checking, we are finding P of A by M and P of A by H, and you are getting P of A by H is greater than P of A by M, so A is classified as H. Thank you.